Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome to Where's Waldo edition, or Where's Waldo Arabic Letters edition. In today's video, we are going to be looking for Arnold Schwarzenegger. The reason we call this Arnold, if anybody's familiar with the Arabic language, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Anybody who's seen Total Recall and Arnold is stuck on Mars, he goes, basically that's the letter we're going for. We're going for called Ain. And so today's letter is, now we don't have to worry about being able to pronounce it. If you don't know how to pronounce it, it's okay. A lot of people find this challenging, especially those of the South Asian persuasion. And my kids in the background, in case you're wondering. But in order to recognize what it looks like, you can find Arnold Schwarzenegger right here looking like that. Now, the thing about Arnold here, or the Arnold, I lift things up and put them down. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this letter. The thing about this is that it has some different appearances in terms of the way it shows up in the Arabic text. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase to you probably the more common ones. And so first, let's look at how it appears in the beginning. So in the beginning, in terms of baseline, this letter typically is going to be like this, right? So how do we identify if a character or a letter is above the line or below the line or it goes through the line, right? So in the past, we talked about sometimes people confusing the letter domingo. I should probably put it over here. We do the letter domingo versus the letter race car, right? And we know the differentiation is based on the fact that one goes above the line and the other, or stays above the line, the other one goes through it. And so Arnold goes through the line because he's so big and muscular. And so how does Arnold look like in the beginning? Well, just like the head is like that, and then it just continues. And you will hear my kid crying in the background because it is nap time and he's refusing to nap, but that's okay. And so should I bring him here? You know what? Let's bring him on. Come here. Aja babu. Aja babu. Sona nahi hai tujhko, huh? Aja. Yeah. Come, sit. We're gonna talk about the letter ah. Yeah, look. Yeah. Hey, actually, you know what? You want this? Yeah, you want this one? There you go. There's a white pen that cannot write. I know you're trying to write something. You're looking for the letter ah. Okay, so anyway, so that's how the letter looks like in the beginning. You know what? Let me just put you on my shoulders for now. There you go. He's probably going to be cut off, and that's okay. So you'll find that's what this letter looks like in the beginning. I just lost my cap. Now, in the middle, it's going to look a little bit different. So you have a word or something, and then you have something that looks like that. It's probably going to be filled in, and then it continues. That's what it's going to look like in the middle. Now, in the end, it's going to basically have likely that same head that's in the middle, but it's going to have the body of what it looks like by itself. But you got to stay up. Stay up. Oh, you are... तपाक दिखाओगे हाँ चलो here go this is staying in the cut, no cutting. And then we got little man trying to write on the projector screen. What was I saying? I was saying oh yeah, and then how it looks like in the end. So the line starts here, and then you might have that, and then you'll have the body as such. So beginning, middle, end. And this is what it looks like by itself. And so what we're going to do is, hey, any chance we can get that stylus back or no? No, don't snatch it because he's going to scream. Okay, anyway, we're going to do this without the stylus. Anyway, so we're going to look for Arnold. We're going to lift things up and put them down. Anyway, let's go. Put down the cookie. Put it down. Kindergarten Cop for anybody who hasn't seen it. Keep going. So we have started with looking for basically one of these guys, right? We're looking for beginning, middle, or end. So let's go. Any beginning, middle. Oh, look at that right there, right? We found Arnold right there. We've got the middle version of Arnold. Keep going. Oh, we've got the beginning version of Arnold. You notice how it's different, right? In the beginning, all right, stop trying to take it from him. Leave it alone. That's, don't bring your kids to work day. So you got the Arnold in the middle and Arnold in the don't toss it, please. Yo, yeah. We might have to redo this episode in a future date, but we're gonna keep going. Anyway, no Arnold here. Excellent, thank you. Any Arnolds? We got an Arnold in the middle, right? We've got Arnold followed by an Alif. I'm blocking it. There you go. We got Arnold right here. Arnold there. Arnold followed by an Alif. Keep going. Any more? Oh, we've got, oh, that's not an Arnold. It looks like an Arnold, but it's got a dot on top, so we're going to ignore it. Keep going. Any more Arnolds? Any more Arnolds? Nope. No Arnolds here. Nope. Any Arnolds? Any Arnolds? I don't see no Arnolds. Arnold is too fast, too strong to get away. Any Arnolds here? Hey, Arnold. Oh, I missed one. I missed one. I'm being told, oh, look at that. I missed one. This right here is Arnold, and it's by itself, right? It's actually part of this, it's part of this word, but it's by itself because it's next to race car. And race car is one of the 7 letters that doesn't connect on the left side. And so as a result, because it's in the end, but it doesn't connect, therefore it's going to appear just like the way it does when it's by itself. So boom, we've got Arnold in full form. Let's keep going. Any more Arnolds? Any more Arnolds? Well, we see this one, but that's not an Arnold. That one's got a dot on top. Keep going. Yeah, there we go. We got another Arnold. I'm blocking it. We got an Arnold in the beginning of the word. Keep going. Oh, we've got an Arnold in the shadow. There you go. We got an Arnold in the... we got an Arnold in the... right there. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. There you go. We got an Arnold right there. Use a pointer. There you go. I should get a laser pointer. That way it'll make pointing things easier. What else? Oh, we got an Arnold by itself. Again, why? Because it is next to, right here, it is next to an Alif. And Alif is also of the 7 letters that doesn't connect on the left side. And therefore, since Arnold is the last letter of this particular word, it's going to be by itself in its full form. Keep going. Oh, we've got this one. That's not an Arnold. It's got a dot on top. Keep going. What else? Any more Arnolds? Oh, we've got an Arnold at the beginning. That's okay. Let him have it, whatever that is. What? What? You're trying to, oh, you're trying to connect it? The batteries came out? This is there are no batteries in here. Sorry, buddy. He took the batteries out. Here you go. Bye-bye. Is that for the TV? Yeah, that's for the TV. Okay. Continuing. Yeah, Arnold in the beginning. Let's get through this video. We got Arnold in the beginning again. Right here. Let's keep going. Any more Arnolds? Oh, that's not an Arnold. That is something else. And we've got Arnold in the beginning. Again, like Azima. Because last time in the last video I said Azim. Forgot the Alif at the end. And so it is Azima. That's it, guys. Let me know how many Arnold Schwarzeneggers you found. Assalamu alaikum.